Welcome to Lamplight Crochet. My name is Laura. This is the part 2 video to my color block accessory set, a scarf and an ear warmer. In this video, I will show you how to do the open work stitch for this ear warmer, and these both fit about a 6 to 11-year-old. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do this easy set. Okay, in order to make the ear warmer, we need to chain 17. So I have already chained 17 on my hook. We have done 17 chains, so now we're going to do 1 single crochet across every single chain, which will give us 16 single crochets. All right, we want to do the first one in the second chain from the hook. We do not go down into the one that the hook is attached to and pulling through. We go into the next one over. So we want to place the hook there, wrap around, pull through. We have 2 on our hook. Wrap around, pull through 2. And that is the single crochet. And so we will single crochet entirely across this row until we have 16, and I will meet you back at the end of the row. We've reached the end of row 1 and we need to turn, so we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3, turn from right to left. Now in this row, we will be starting off skipping 2 single crochet. We're going to count the very first one, and that is at the base of the chain 3. So 1, 2, the next one over, and we're going to go down into the third one there, and so we will make a single crochet in the third one, just like that. We will make 3 more chain, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 more, single crochet, 1, 2. Go down into the third one and make a single crochet there. We're going to continue this pattern across the row. 3, skip 2, 1, 2, go down into the next one for a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, more chains, skip 2, 1, 2, go down into the next one for a single crochet. Now when we reach the end, we're going to have 1 extra. 1, 2, 3, skip 1, 2, go down into the next one for a single crochet, which is the third one over. And there is 1 more single crochet at the end. We're going to go into the top of it and make another single crochet. So we have formed 5 loops. You should have 5 loops at the end of this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with 1 single crochet at the end. Now we're going to chain up 3, turn, and we're going to make a single crochet inside the middle of the very first loop. So just place your hook in there and make a single crochet. We're going to chain 3 and do the same in the next loop. You're just making a single crochet right down into the loop. So we're forming an open work pattern. 1, 2, 3. Basically, this is it. We're just forming an open work pattern for the ear warmer. And then we're going to place 1 last single crochet in the very top of that chain 3 that we made at the end of the row, the previous row. 1, 2, 3, turn, and we're going to repeat across this row. We're going to make 1 single crochet in the first large loop. The first large loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 large loops across. Don't go down into this very first little space, but you go clear over to the first loop and you make a single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. And you just repeat this until your headband is the length you want it to be. And let's see, mine goes to row 48. So if you do this clear till 48, you will have the same size that I have, which fits a 6 to 12-year-old. Okay? And then I will do a few more rows and meet you back to show you how to finish this project. Okay, as you can see, I have done just a portion of the ear warmer here. Now I want to show you how to finish off the project. So what I did was, when you have reached all of the rows, which I think I did 48 that you want, then come to the end, remove your hook, and then place one single crochet across the entire row, and there will be about 16. If you need to do one more or one less, that's fine. Just try to place them as evenly as you can across the top. And then you would fold the ear warmer, make sure that the good side is out. You would fold the ear warmer end to end and match it up, and take your yarn needle, clip this off, and leave yourself, quite a bit of space to thread with, to sew with. And then you would do a whip stitch across, just in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out across. I would not suggest, unless you are experienced, to do it with a crochet hook, because you probably won't like the end result unless you do a special stitch, like the zipper stitch or something, to make it flat. So I would just sew it across with a whip stitch. And so I hope you enjoyed this project, and make sure that you click like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next fun project that I have to show you.